Hi guys, Lorraine here. I'm going to do a Dutch pour today. I don't have my blow dryer, but I have a straw. I always kind of feel like I have a little bit more control with my straw anyways. And I want to use some of my violet, some neon pink, let's see, how about some magenta, and a tiny bit of this Paynes Grey. Okay, I think I blew this out a little bit too much. I'm going to add a little bit here to brighten that up. Okay, that I like. That I like. It's very pretty. Give it a quick torch. Touch these sides here. Kind of get rid of that. Fill in some empty spaces. Make sure my corners are covered. This was a pre-used canvas, so I don't want anything showing in the sides. Looks like the top is good. Beautiful. These colors are so pretty together. Take into close-up look. Very pretty. Very good. Well, thanks for visiting, guys. Appreciate it. I will see you next time. Bye.